What's up everyone, Scarlett here. Today we are going to do a cabin filter on a 2021 Mazda CX30 all-wheel drive turbo with a 2.5 liter engine. We're going to be working with on the passenger side. I'm going to open the glove box, excuse me. Then we're going to pull this centerpiece off. Okay, and then there are a couple tabs. Let's see if I can get a good angle right here. You're gonna like pry back towards you. You might need both hands. And just pull down. Pull that off. And then there is your cabin filter. Squeeze these tabs and pull. Look at that dirtiness. Alrighty, and then we got our new cabin filter. Alright guys, hopefully this video helped. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that little notification button. Bye guys.